All right, so today we're going to talk about a little bit about what circuits are. This is a simple circuit, and it's a simple circuit because it only has one receiver, which in this case is a light bulb. When the light bulb receives energy from the source, which is a battery, it lights up. The light is part of the energy transformation. It also changes into heat. When I add another receiver to the circuit and now have two light bulbs, this has become a series circuit. Both of these two light bulbs have to share the energy that comes out of the battery. So if you'll notice, the lights on these are a lot dimmer than they were when one light bulb was lit versus two. And again, that's because they're sharing. So one disadvantage of a series circuit is the lights aren't very bright. The other question is what happens when one of those lights goes out? If you focus on this one, when I turn the one light bulb out, this one goes out. So it is kind of hard to see this particular one, but when one goes out, the other one goes out, and that is because they're sharing the flow of electricity. When we hook up two light bulbs in parallel, each light bulb has access to the battery, and so the light bulbs are brighter. They're not having to share the electricity that comes from the battery. In this one, when one light bulb goes out, the other one stays lit. And so again, when one light bulb goes out, the other one stays lit. And that shows that they each have their own pathway to get energy from the battery. So the advantage of parallel circuit is they are brighter. When one light bulb goes out, the others stay lit. The disadvantage has to do with, again, with thermal energy or heat. The brighter the light bulb is, the more heat it produces. Since both of these are equally as bright, they are producing way more heat than the dimmer light bulbs in our series circuit. So because they produce more heat, we have to put a break at the source, and at our homes that would be like a circuit breaker. And the circuit, what it does is it turns off the power to all of it. It opens the circuit so it is no longer connected to the battery. At home, if you've got a circuit breaker, you can flip your switch and turn it back on. One other concept that we're going to talk about is the difference between an open circuit and a closed circuit. A closed circuit is what this is happening here in this simple circuit. It means that the electricity can flow all the way from one end of the battery all the way around to the other end of the battery. If it is an open circuit, that means there is a gap in the middle where it cannot have electricity flowing through. We close the circuit and the light bulb lights back up. Open it and the lights go out. Thank you.